Paperwork. For years, you've worked to minimize it for your supply chain workers. But documentation, such as damaged goods or other tracking reports, are just a few of the many required as part of daily operations. So what if you could digitize common forms to significantly reduce the time spent collecting and transcribing paper forms? Now, with Ivanti Velocity, your supply chain workers are able to bring up required digital forms within the mobile application already on their device. They're able to incorporate data from your enterprise systems to minimize redundant form data entry. Velocity forms can be created and completed for whatever your business requires, including inspection, incident safety, personnel, and regulatory compliance. And photos can be added where appropriate. You're able to define where each type of digital form is routed. Velocity forms can be routed to specific recipients via an automated email, or placed into document repositories such as Dropbox or secure FTP locations as PDF files. From these locations, forms are easily accessible for auditing and traceability whenever needed. And the automated routing of digital forms eliminates the unproductive time workers used to spend crossing the container yard or warehouse floor. They're able to complete and send all types of digital forms right from the point of activity, completing them in seconds and getting back to the task at hand. Velocity forms are one more way Ivanti Wavelink is transforming the supply chain worker experience and helping you along the journey toward operational excellence. Request your free trial of Ivanti Velocity to get started.